Dinnertime Rhyme, written by June Crebbin, illustrated by Martín, Larranaga, read aloud by Múinteoir Eileen. Can you tell me, if you please, who it is likes squidgy peas? Louise likes peas. How about Jake? Jake likes cake. How about Ellen? Ellen likes melon. How about Trish? Trish likes fish. How about Fred? Fred likes bread. How about Hetty? Hetty likes spaghetti. How about Greg? Greg likes egg. How about Sam? Sam likes jam. OK then, tell me, if you can, how about Katerina Wilhelmina Theodora Dobson? She likes jam, egg, spaghetti, bread, fish, melon, cake, peas and smelly cheese.